Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss one of the question which was recently posted by some Excel user on this Microsoft Excel community. So on your screen you can see the question and this data with two columns, discomfort and unique discomfort areas. Let me tell you about this question very quickly. What user actually want to calculate is how many times any name is coming up on the first column. Like user want to calculate how many times neck is coming up on this column. If I check it manually, it's 1, 2 and 3 times. But user tried using COUNTIF with neck but gets 0 as result. On the other hand, if the user use the same formula for rest, he get the result 1, which is actually correct. So why there is a discrepancy? That's what we are going to check today. So welcome back to the channel again. If you like the video, please do share and comment. Now I have copied the same data on my sheet. Now let's start with the rest first. If I'm going to calculate how many time rest is coming on this column, so I will use the formula like this. I get the result, correct? Now instead of rest, if I replace this with neck, why it is giving me a 0 as result? Now look at this data. If you see rest, this is a complete separate entity written on a cell. There is no data written before or after rest. But in case of neck, it's not alone. After neck, you can see there is some data, that is arms. In the same way here also, and in the last one. So in these kind of cases, we have to use asterisk as a wild character. What we need to do, we just need to make a small modification. We need to put two asterisk like this before and after neck. Now if I press enter, we have the results. So that's how we can solve these kind of problems. If in case you're having issues with some other files or problems, feel free to message me. You can find my Telegram link below this video. Thank you.